In this video, we will walk you through how two-way matching between expense report and travel request work in PeakFlow. In the two-way matching process between an expense report and a travel request, PeakFlow verifies that the total amount in the expense report matches the total amount in the travel request. How does the two-way matching process between expense report and travel request work in PeakFlow from the employee's view? When the employee fills out the expense report, they need to map the expense report with the approved travel request. This is configurable to be mandatory or optional. As a result, travel request gets mapped to expense report in the system, establishing a relationship between the two documents. If the total amount of expense report being submitted is greater than the mapped travel request's balance amount, the employee will get a warning sign before they click on Save and Submit. The employee can recheck the details and re-enter the amount, or they can choose to submit the expense report for approval. How does the two-way matching process between expense report and travel request work in PeakFlow from the approver's view? When the approver reviews the expense report and clicks on Approve, the system will show a validation checkbox containing all the violation details. If the total amount of the travel request is greater than the total amount of the expense report, the approver will see a message mentioning the violation. The approver can review the violations and click on the Approve button to complete the approval process, or click on the Return to Draft button to reject the expense report. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflow.co or send us an email to support@peakflow.co